The road ahead gleams with the promise of the future. New cars, new technology, smarter, faster, more connected than ever before. But behind the glossy showrooms and the shimmering advertisements lies a hidden truth, one that mechanics see every single day. The truth that some cars, no matter how beautiful or advanced they look, are simply not built to last. So tonight, we lift the hood, peel back the marketing, and listen to the people who know best, the mechanics who fix what others break. This is the story of 15 cars that mechanics are begging you not to buy in 2026. 1. Tesla Model Y 2026 facelift. At first glance, it's the poster child of electric success. Futuristic design, unmatched acceleration, and cutting-edge software. But behind the glossy showrooms and the shimmering advertisements lies a hidden truth, one that mechanics see every single day. The truth that some cars, no matter how beautiful or advanced they look, are simply not built to last. Mechanics report battery degradation, door handle failures, and suspension wear that show up far too soon. What makes things worse? Tesla's parts supply chain and repair restrictions, meaning even small fixes can take months. The verdict? Great performance, but a nightmare to maintain outside Tesla's own ecosystem. 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2026 Hybrid. The Grand Cherokee has always promised rugged adventure, but this hybrid generation is giving mechanics headaches. Reports highlight electrical glitches, charging issues, and gearbox faults that show up early in ownership. Even seasoned Jeep technicians admit it's not the same Jeep we once trusted. If you love off-roading, look elsewhere, because this one's braking more often than it's blazing trails. 3. Ford Explorer 2026 Refresh. Few SUVs have carried as much legacy as the Ford Explorer, but the 2026 refresh brought with it too much tech, too little testing. Mechanics complain about transmission failures, coolant leaks, and malfunctioning infotainment systems. It's a car that looks strong on paper, but under the surface, it's fragile. As one Midwest mechanic put it, every Explorer that comes in leaves me exploring new problems. 4. BMW X5 Plug-in Hybrid. Luxury meets complexity, and that's where things start to fall apart. The X5 PHE is a technological marvel, but one that mechanics say is a ticking wallet bomb. Hybrid cooling systems fail, electric control modules glitch, and replacement parts cost a fortune. German precision meets repair bills that feel like a mortgage payment. Unless you have deep pockets, this luxury hybrid might not be worth the pain. 5. Chevrolet Blazer EV. The Blazer EV was meant to symbolize GM's electric future, but early reports suggest it's a software disaster on wheels. Owners complain of frozen screens, charging malfunctions, and inconsistent range performance. Mechanics say many issues can't even be fixed without dealer software updates. A beautiful design, yes, but even the best designs can't save bad coding. 6. Nissan Ariya. When Nissan launched the Ariya, it looked like the next big EV success after the Leaf, but reality turned out different. Mechanics across Europe and North America now warn about charging port corrosion, brake system errors, and climate control failures. One EV technician summed it up. It's like Nissan forgot how to build reliable EVs after the Leaf. For a brand once leading the electric revolution, the Ariya feels like a step backward. 7. Toyota BZ4X. Even Toyota, the king of reliability, stumbled here. The bZ4X, Toyota's first dedicated EV, arrived with bold promises, but also with wheels that literally fell off during early recalls. While Toyota fixed that issue, new complaints emerged about range drops, slow charging, and battery overheating in hot climates. Mechanics admit it's reliable in name only. It's a harsh reminder that even legends can slip when entering new territory. 8. Mercedes-Benz EQB. Luxury electrified, but not electrifying. Mechanics say the EQB suffers from poor battery cooling, faulty sensors, and expensive repairs once the warranty expires. It's built to impress in showrooms, not to endure years of daily use. One independent German technician said it best. EQ stands for expensive quality, just not the kind you want. 9. Hyundai Ioniq 6. Stylish, futuristic, aerodynamic, yet frustrating to maintain. The Ioniq 6 dazzles with design, but falters with electronic glitches, fragile panels, and costly headlight modules that often fail. Mechanics report increasing numbers of customers shocked by repair estimates. For a brand known for value, this one feels like a luxury EV with none of the luxury reliability. 10. Ford F-150 Lightning 2026 update. The most iconic pickup turned electric hero, but under the skin, problems spark. Owners and mechanics alike mention battery pack swelling, electrical faults, and charging failures in cold weather. And when something breaks, you can't just fix it in your garage. Everything is sealed and software locked. Mechanics warn, it's a powerful truck until it decides it's not. Sometimes, lightning really does strike twice. 11. Kia EV9. A stunning, full-size electric SUV, but heavy on both weight and wear. Mechanics report suspension fatigue, panel rattles, and charging port malfunctions after just a few thousand miles. The EV9 tries to do it all: luxury, performance, off-road ability. But sometimes trying to do everything means not excelling at anything. A good family hauler if you don't mind frequent workshop visits. 12. Volkswagen ID.7. Volkswagen's ID lineup has been a mixed bag, and the ID.7 seems to continue that trend. Early owners are already facing infotainment failures, battery drain overnight, and climate system faults. Mechanics call it a brilliant design ruined by cheap electronics. Volkswagen promised simplicity, but this car proves modern EVs can be more complex than combustion ever was. 13. Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid. A rare misstep for Mazda. The CX-90 PHEV blends electric power with a gasoline engine, but mechanics say the integration feels unrefined. Reports of engine surging, battery overheating, and poor charging port malfunctions plague early models. One technician said, "It drives like two cars fighting over control." Stylish and ambitious, yes, but not yet perfected. 14. Land Rover Defender 2026 edition. For decades, the Defender has been the symbol of strength, but the latest edition, it's becoming the symbol of frustration. Land Rover's reputation for reliability hasn't improved. Air suspension leaks, engine faults, and infotainment freezes still dominate mechanic reports. As one UK specialist joked, every Defender defends the workshop from being empty. A luxury SUV with adventure DNA, but with a habit of braking before the journey begins. 15. Chevrolet Silverado EV. The last one on our list is the Silverado EV, a truck with enormous expectations but equally enormous challenges. Mechanics highlight charging reliability, electronic power steering issues, and body panel fit problems. Some repair shops say even simple maintenance requires special tools and proprietary software. When a work truck becomes harder to work on, something's gone wrong. The future of cars shines bright, but not all that glitters is gold. Behind every cutting-edge feature, every sleek electric design, lies a simple truth. A car is only as good as its reliability. The mechanics who see them day after day, they don't look at badges or brand names. They look at bolts, wiring, and wear. And what they're saying is clear. In the race toward innovation, some cars have lost sight of endurance. So before you buy your dream car in 2026, remember, the shiniest vehicle in the showroom might just be the one spending the most time in the shop. This is GearTales. Real stories, real machines, real warnings. Because every car has a story, and sometimes the story is better heard before you buy.